Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In this video, I will walk you through steps to export contact from your phone. So to start, there's my phone. So to export contacts on my phone, I click on contacts. There's my phone contacts. So to export it, click on contacts. By clicking on contacts, I click on fix and manage. Then I click export file. This will enable me to export the contacts from my phone. Then you select the specific email or device that you want to export its contacts. I click on device and choose any email that you want to export, or you can choose all the emails and your device on contact to export. So here I have choose all my email that link to my Android phone and my Android device. This will export all the contacts that I've backup to. So after choosing it, I click on export to VCF file. This will export all my contact. Then I choose specific location that I want to save the contacts to. After choosing the specific location, click on save. This will save the contacts to the specific location on your phone so that you can export to any device, or you can export to device. So to find it, you'll find it in the download folder on your phone. To access it, you connect to Peter, then you click on your phone drive. Then you choose specific location that you save the contact to. Here we save it in download folder in my phone. When I come to download folder, I will find the contact or contact number that I've exported on my phone. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, clicking the bell icon to receive an update. And for more information on how you can export your phone contacts from your Android phone, under the description below, click on link to the post. You'll find more information on how you can export phone number your Android phone. Thank you.